Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Canva. Someone had sent me a message and asked, why did I get the pro version versus the free version? The quick story is that I had done the pro trial version and I loved that I had lots to choose from. I make a lot of thumbnails and a few Instagram posts, but mostly YouTube thumbnails. And so I enjoy typing in like teacher and having a lot of things to choose from, where before you would type it in, or I would type it in, and there was a lot to choose from, but some would cost $1 here and there. So now I have a bunch. So for this video, I'm going to talk about why I chose the pro version, which is a lot more than just some of the free items that I said, why I think maybe others would want to choose the pro version. I've read online different reasons. So stay tuned and here's my free versus pro Canva. So a little bit about the free version versus the pro version. The free version comes with some fonts, some really good fonts. And of course, the pro version comes with many fonts and you can upload some of your own fonts or some fonts that you've used or found. With the Canva free, you have free photos and you can upload your own. And with the pro, there are many free photos and you can upload your own. So with the free version, you can pay $1 more for some of the other ones that I was telling you about. But I love that Canva Pro had so many more to choose from. I kept choosing the ones that you're supposed to pay for when I had the free one. And so that's when I decided to do the trial. In the Canva free, you have 3 folders to organize your designs. And in the pro version, you have an unlimited folders. For the free version, you have over 8,000 free templates. So really, for a majority of people, the free version might be the way to go. But of course, if you'd like more templates and to be able to upload your own, you want over 20,000 templates, then you can choose the pro version. It does say that you should be able to upload your own with the free version. I have my notes right here, so I keep looking down. I'm not going to show you them because I have found some spelling errors. So, okay, and with the free version, you get 3 colors to brand your business. And with the pro version, you have multicolor palettes. That is my next step in Canva, is to look at all the colors and do a branding kit. They have a branding kit on there and I want to take a look and brand. I need to make a new banner. It's been the same orange banner with not really much pizzazz, but it was great to get started. So I have a few more things to work on. Now, that's about all you get with the free version, but with the pro version, you also get animated GIFs and videos. You can search by name of the design. So when you save it, make sure you save the thumbnail with something you'll remember so that you can just type it in and find it. I didn't even know that that was an option. I didn't even research all of the folders and things. So that is something I had learned in my research. The resize option, super easy. I use this all the time. If you have the free version, there are hacks that you can use to resize. But with the pro version, it is one button. So whatever I make as my YouTube thumbnail, I can push one button and have an Instagram post right after that I can start right away, send it right away. It's super easy. I love that. Yeah. Then the next one is you can save pings with no background. And there's a scheduler with this. Now, I haven't looked much into it. I did take some notes. With the scheduler, it says schedule your designs right to Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. You can also view these posts on a calendar. I've not tried it, like I said, so I'm not really sure about that one. And also the high resolution downloads. And I wrote a little bit about this one that I want to make sure to tell you all. So sometimes people can have like issues with Canva designs and uploading to social media platforms like the ones mentioned before. From my research, this is due more to the fact of how the social media platforms degrade your image. With the Canva Pro, you have the high resolution download and it makes things a lot easier. So that's just things that I found in my research. Feel free to put questions down below because if there's any more research I can do on Canva, I'm all about it. I would love to learn more about it here. Now, why did I choose Canva Pro? As I mentioned earlier, there's a lot more choices. I love the flexibility of just typing in ABCs and having a bunch of different ones. Before I would choose one and say, you have to pay $1. And I'm like, nah. So with the Canva Pro, I don't have to. I think there are still some, but I haven't noticed very many. Number two, probably one of my favorite thing is the Resize feature. I think in free you can also use margins, but after I'm done, I want to upload that video to YouTube and then immediately turn around and put something out about Instagram that I've done. So hit that resize button and get your Instagram post ready. And number three, it saves you some time. So like I said, with some of these features, you can find hacks or ways around them, but having this one touch thing makes it so much easier to just upload things or resize things. So for me, saving time was worth the money as well. And I think that's all I have for you right now. I hope you found this helpful. Again, let me know if there's anything more I should research or learn about. I am not really new to Canva Pro, but new to finding more things out about it. I just simply put in pictures and made thumbnails. So I would love to research more. Let me know your thoughts on this. If you found anything wrong in this video that I need to fix, let me know that too. I'm all about learning, guys. All right, thank you again. That's all I have. Happy teaching. Have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.